Greetings, fellow Chads. Dropshipping. If you are trying to make money online, chances are you have seen dozens of videos about dropshipping. The majority will tell you how easy it is to start dropshipping and make a 7-figure business, but are those claims true? Should you start dropshipping, or is it a total waste of your time and money? Let's go into some basics and things you should consider beforehand. Also, do the claims these gurus tell you hold water? Firstly, a quick recap of how dropshipping works. You search for a product on a Chinese store like Alibaba or AliExpress, set up your own store and sell it for a higher price. You then pay for ads on something like TikTok. People look at your ad and decide if they are interested. If they buy it, you get their contact information.
My name is Walter Hartwell White. I live at 308 Negra Arroyo Lane, Albuquerque, New Mexico 87104.
Then you go to the original seller on Alibaba or AliExpress and put in their information so the item will be delivered directly to them. Sounds simple, right? But should you spend your time dropshipping? Let's start with the good stuff about dropshipping. The key benefactor is the lack of storage. You don't have any need to have stock at first, and you don't have to spend money for a warehouse. It's also very easy to get started. Just pick a product that you like and where you believe you can make a decent profit from it. Then write down your core audience and how you can reach them the best. Lastly, set up the ads in the store and you're good to go. It definitely is possible to scale a winning product to a real brand and create a 7-figure business. The online stores you use today may have been using this exact strategy to get to the point where they are today. There are a couple of big problems with dropshipping. The lack of stock is a positive thing, but it also can be a big downside. Shipping times can be 2 to 4 weeks. Who wants to wait this long? Customer support in general is not that great with this business. What do you do when the item is damaged or someone wants a refund? You have to hope to a certain degree that everything will be fine, otherwise, you quickly become unprofitable. Also, regulations can bite you big time, but more on this later. The next problem is that the barrier of entry is low, which means everyone can do exactly what you do. If even your old granny can start a dropshipping business, should you too? Doing the things that are popular right now aren't always the right thing to do. If you want to do this, I recommend you switch to being a brand and having stock quickly. Improve the relationship between the brand and the customer, and word will go out and spread fast. In addition, make sure to have a product that brings genuine value to customers. Don't try this with a gimmick item. The majority of dropshipping gurus are in the land of eagles and guns, where there aren't that many regulations when it comes to this topic. If you are in Europe, however, especially in the EU or the UK, things become much more tricky. Customers are much more protected, sensitive data must be handled with utmost care, and things are stricter in general. Don't get me wrong, those are good things, but for people just starting or wanting to make a quick buck, these obstacles can be really scary. If things become too out of control, you may even have to sacrifice your firstborn to Satan to get a get out of jail for free card. Consider talking to a professional beforehand. This is the best way to ensure everyone is on track and you know all of the risks before diving in. Dropshipping can be a great business, and you will most certainly learn a lot from doing it. However, take every video you see about this topic with a grain of salt. We already talked about this in depth in this video. If you haven't seen it already, go check it out after you are done with this video. In a nutshell, talking about how to make money is the best way to make money. Shout out to Biaza for sharing this data with us. In a video dedicated to dropshipping, he makes $81 per 1,000 views. I didn't even know the CPM and RPM can go that high. Unfortunately, this is the reason why many gurus lie about their results or sell you some blatant lie. It's highly profitable to do so. The 3 channels I can recommend are Biaza, Sebastian Georgiou, and the Ecom King. All of these have a proven track record of having great success doing dropshipping, and they are transparent about which results you can expect. If you want to know more about the fast lane business, check out this video. Take care and thanks for watching.